Service in Peachtree City has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Coweta County in west-central Georgia, southwestern Fulton County in north-central Georgia, until 5:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 5:02 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Roscoe, Oregon, 8 miles north of Newnan, moving southeast at 10 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Newnan, Tyrone, Palmetto, Whitesburg, Moreland, Sharpsburg, East Newnan, Chattahoochee Hill Country, Arnco Sargent, Dunaway Gardens, Conongate, Roscoe, Thomas Cross Roads, and Madras. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. If you see wind damage, hail, or flooding, wait until the storm has passed, and then call the National Weather Service toll-free at 1-866-7-634-4666 or tweet us your report at NWS Atlanta. At 4 p.m. in Atlanta, it was partly sunny.